Are you this kid? Someone who can't even keep up? Or what about someone who can't even pass the gosh darn ball? How about receiving a pass, or even showing off? Do you want to learn how to improve these simple skills? Well, listen to these 4 simple physics concepts to become the soccer player of your dreams.
Let's start with the basics. In order to keep up with the rest of your team, try applying more downward force into your strides. This will be essential to a defensive player. Let's look at this kid over here. As you can see in his strides, he is not applying as much downward force as the other person. Seen from this diagram, the amount of downward force correlates with the speed of a person. All humans spend about the same amount of time in the air when running. But faster runners apply more downward force in each step, while a slower runner applies less force in each step, which is why they are not as fast.
Now what about that kick, Joaquin? When you're taking a goal kick, the ideal thing to do is kick it downfield, away from your goal. The direction of the ball that you kick it is essential during a game. When you kick a ball parallel to the ground, the ball will travel a short distance due to the friction of the grass. In order to kick the ball as far as you can, you must lift the ball off the ground with the laces of your shoes. The optimal angle to kick the soccer ball as far as possible is 45 degrees. This allows the only major force of the ball will be gravity, which will cause the acceleration of negative 10 meters a second downwards.
But what about receiving the ball? When the ball is traveling towards you in a very fast manner, what happens when you try to stop it? That's right, it bounces right off your chest with no control over it afterwards.
In order to control the ball, you need to increase the amount of time the ball takes to stop as it makes contact with your chest. As the ball reaches your chest, you need to extend the point of contact to reduce the amount of force the ball receives, and that the chest pushes in the other direction.
Well, now that you understand the basics, let's learn how to do something a bit more complicated. Curving the ball. This can be essential when you want to take a corner kick or a free kick, since you can't kick the ball directly at the goal. The ideal thing to do when you want to curve the ball is to kick the ball off center, which will cause the ball to spin. This spin will make and push air molecules in the direction it's spinning, making a lower and higher pressure of the ball. The way it's spinning creates lower pressure, causing the higher pressure to push and pull itself, curving the ball. You can see this effect as a wing on a plane. The wings create a lower and higher pressure above and below the wing, which will push the plane upwards. For a soccer ball, the higher and lower pressures are caused by the spin of the ball, creating the pressures to curve the ball.
Now that you learned these basic skills and how they relate to physics, you can become a better soccer player.